In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a no-reply email in Google Workspace in just 5 minutes. Setting up a no-reply email address can be a vital step for organizations that wish to send out automated messages without cluttering their inboxes with replies. First, head over to Google Workspace. Once you're there, locate and click on the Admin console. Make sure you're logged in using your business email account, as this ensures you have the necessary permissions to make these changes. Administrative tasks like this require the appropriate access levels, so double-check that you've signed in correctly. Once inside the Admin console, direct your attention to the Google Apps menu in the top right corner of your screen. It's the grid-like icon that allows you to access the various Google services linked to your account. Click on it, then find and click on the Admin icon. Next, click on Apps, which will reveal the various applications you can manage within your Google Workspace account. Tap on Google Workspace, and within this section, you'll see a list of services associated with your account, including Gmail, which is essential for setting up our no-reply email. With Gmail selected, the next step is to find and click on Routing. This is where you define rules and settings for how email should be handled within your organization. Click Configure, which will bring up more specific email routing options. Choose Inbound to specify parameters for incoming messages. Here, you're dictating what should happen to emails sent to addresses within your domain. Next, select Modify Message. This option allows you to apply specific rules and actions to these messages. Since a no-reply email is designed not to engage with responses, we want replies to this email to be automatically discarded or replied to with a specific message. Finally, click Reject Message. This ensures that any attempts to send messages to the no-reply email address are rejected and not delivered, maintaining the purpose of the no-reply function. Once you've reviewed all the settings, be sure to click Save to apply all the changes. And there you have it. A no-reply email account is set up and ready to be utilized, keeping communications streamlined and efficient within your organization. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.